Welcome to Daily Insights, your source of bite sized wisdom and transformative knowledge. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. I invite you to journey with me into a world brimming with enlightenment, where every moment is a golden opportunity to learn, to grow, and view the world anew. Let us explore the marvels hidden in the fabric of daily life, transforming ordinary encounters into invaluable lessons. Whether you are seeking inspiration, a quick practical tip, or a profound exploration of life's most significant questions, Daily Insights is your gateway to knowledge to aid your self discovery and personal growth. Join me and let us illuminate the path to wisdom together. Today's title: The Paradox of Brokenness, Finding Wholeness in Fragmentation. This topic, like many of the topics I talk about on Daily Insights, came to me through a conversation with my friends or through observation of the world, of the ecosystem, of the environment that I call home. Today, let us navigate the enigmatic paradox of brokenness. It is a journey that demands courage, for it takes us through the darkest alleys of despair, only to lead us into the light of profound self discovery and personal growth. Picture, if you will, a once glorious temple now in ruins, and yes, there are many of those. Its walls have crumbled, its beauty seemingly lost forever. Its brokenness symbolizes defeat lost on the relentless passage of time. Yet, isn't there an inexplicable majesty in its ruins? A story of resilience and timeless beauty that speaks to our very souls. This duality of brokenness, despair, hope, loss, and discovery, defeat, and resilience defines our human experience. Now, I ask you, have you ever stood amidst the ruins of your own life where dreams lay shattered at your feet? Have you felt the piercing sting of failure, the suffocating weight of loss? Now, I want you to ask yourself, in these ruins, did you not also find the unyielding core of your spirit? Was it not in your darkest hour that you discovered an inner light you never knew existed? Consider this. What if your brokenness is not a pit of despair, but a crucible for transformation? How can the fragments of your shattered dreams become the building blocks of a new, more resilient you, more resilient self? Let us dive a bit deeper into brokenness. How does our personal journey through brokenness connect us to others? In sharing our stories of fragmentation and rebuilding, can you become architects of empathy and understanding, building bridges where walls once stood? The art of kintsugi teaches us that in mending the broken with gold, we not only repair, but we transform. The scars do not signify past pain. They symbolize a new form of beauty born out of resilience. In the mosaic of your life, what golden seams have you created from the pieces of your brokenness? How have these seams woven a richer and more intricate life than the original one you had? As we stand amid our broken pieces, let us recognize that each fragment holds a mirror to our soul. In these very reflections, We find the echoes of our past pains and the whispers of our potential, the hints of a future filled with renewed purpose and beauty. In wrapping up my talk today, I encourage you to let your journey through brokenness be a pilgrimage to the heart of who you are. I want to encourage you to embrace each piece, each fragment of your being, for in them lies the power to transform, transcend, and triumph. Yes, triumph over all things. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you. Blessings always.